Hey, hello guys, how are you all? Greeting from Mr. A. I'm hoping that you all are doing well and taking care of yourself. So basically, mobiles app turned smartphone into virtual classroom where students do circulate activity with easy and focus. Further, the app also encourages young children to love learning by their stepping stone on education interactive fun filled. You know that mobiles app along with the new and advanced learning management software is changing the education landscape, be it learning subject, objecting classroom activities, or developing a skill in the new field. Education app made everything simpler and enjoyable. In this video, we'll show you that those the free best education app for the student and kids to help them see smartphone as a tool for the learning. Move forward for the first app, that is Google Classroom. Google Classroom is initiated by the Google. With the Google Classroom, we can use it seamlessly, sending announcements, creating classes, start discussing, submitting, and grading assigned, asking for the remarks and answer, sharing source codes, and so on. It is also easy to set up the Google Classroom. Teacher share code with the class and the student can join by just entering the code, and all it takes to create a virtual classroom. The feature of this Google Classroom that enhance the communication, improve organization and faster grading process. Second free educational app, that is EDX. Many students have a dream to study in a course of top university like Harvard, MTI, Columbia, etc. But they also know that it's not easy to get into these university at all. Well, if you got EDX in on a phone, it's just a mobile application. Nothing will stop you to achieving those dreams. So no matter what you need to learn, EDX will be there for you every step of way. You can learn everything under the sun and above from EDX. There are more than 2000 courses on top university in EDX, such as computer science, business studies, engineers, and many more. The professional certificates and university credit you get from the course will always be valuable for you in building a professional career. Feature of edX is video total study material handouts, interactive quizzes. Moves to the next free educational app, that is Khan Academy. Khan Academy is in a variable source of top spot of the list of the best free educational app for the student. The app's mission is to provide free and world-class education for all minds across the globe. And we have to admit that they are delivering in pretty impressive. Khan Academy is a unique way to drive knowledge into your brain. All lessons are in the form of video tutorials. Videos displays a recording, a drawing on a virtual keyboard like teaching, giving a lecture. And the narrator describes each lesson through its drawing. Pretty simple, right? Khan Academy also provide online courses for preparing for standardized tests like SAT, MCAT, LCST, and so on. Feature of this Khan Academy is learning a multiple languages, progress tracking, and practice exercise. Move on to the next feature, that is Duolingo. It's a simple invention, patience and practice learn to the new language. It is not everybody cup of tea. If the learning, teaching and objective will quickly lose focus and interest. But this app has made language learning in cakewalk. It helps us learn many languages like English, French, Spanish, Mandarin, Latin, etc. in a fun and interactive way. It starts with the basic picture games. As you complete more levels, there will be many different kinds of engagements game that will improve your vocabulary and grammar skill as well. Feature of this app is 30 plus language. You will get interactive stories on it, form discussion, leadership board, competition, and language practice event. The next apps for the student of company secretary, all student who is still doing the company secretary and wanted to do the company secretary, this app for those students called ICSI e-learning mTop app. It has a many coaching classes of CS, but you have to register in executive program of company secretary. By doing this, you will get registered ID and password. With those credential you will have to log in and you will access multiple codes very free. You don't need to pay a single penny. You just have to register in ICSI. You just have to register in CS. So feature of this e-learning course, you will get all syllabus in a video lecture, everything's in the proper way. The next app is Remind. Group learning is a efficiency practice to fill the learning gaps in a student, but it's not always practice to get multiple students to assemble under a single roof and study together. Remind app is the ultimate answer for this problem. Remind faculties us to stay connected with our school community. Besides students, this community include teachers and parents as well. Once you join this school community using a unique classroom or class code, you will get receive regular updates from the classroom activities. Feature of this Remind that you can share photos, hangouts and flyers, chat translation in 17 plus language, instant messaging. The next app is Photomath. Mathematics has always been pleasing subject for many students. I was too. No matter what age you are, math can be challengeable, hardable to tackle for many learners. Well, those days are over now. Now anyone can learn to solve any complex math problem very easily using this app called Photomath. This many statistics have listed Photomath as one of the best learning apps for the student. Feature of the Photomath is scan printed handwritten problems, multiple solving method, animated instruction, interactive graphs, scientific calculation and no need for internet. Move to the next free learning app that is called Solo Learn. The scope of coding and programming is wide than ever. If you weren't for coding, you wouldn't have much technic genius like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, etc. in our world. Whether you are beginner or pro, Solo Learn can get your coding juices flow with its immense collection of free coding tutorials across language like Java, Python, C++, Swipe, PHP, JavaScript, HTML, CSS and so on. App development is a one-touch area where there is a consistent demand of coder. These languages are functional of the server, mobile application and the frameworks. Feature of this Solo Learn app, an interactive community of coder tutorials on latest coding trend and a free app code editor and many more. Move to the next app that is Quizlet. Has a several effective way to make earning easier and quicker. Right now of the gate you will see various study mode buttons such as learn, flashcard, write, test and math etc. Each of these modes is different way to learn your desired topic. The use of flashcards is another defining quality of Quizlet. Quizlet has million of the ready-made flyer card in the app. This app gives you consistent study reminder, progressive checkpoint along with the way. Feature of this Quizlet is practice test, study sets of standard exam and customize image and audio to enhance learning. Now move to the last free educational app that is called Kahoot. Interactive quizzes can be escalate to the learning process tremendously. In that regard, Kahoot is one of the best learning apps for those who prepare learning those quizzes. Kahoot is a ready-made quiz for any topic. So you just choose a one topic and go live quizzes with other player. This app also let you quickly create a quizzes and challenge your friend to complete with you. You can also use a Kahoot for offline quiz competition. This setup is very pretty simple. Feature of this Kahoot is easy game creation, host live quiz for big screen, play with the 2000 plus live constant. So that's it for today guys. I hope you will try once for every single free educational app which are shown in this video. I hope you will love it. Also you will gain more knowledge about the all apps and you will be success in your student journey. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till the time, very thank you to watch this video. If you want this type of more content, you need to keep in touch with this channel by subscribing, by liking, comment, sharing. I'll see you in the next video. Till the time, very thank you.